Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So let's see the analysis for tomorrow for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yesterday I haven't shared my analysis due to some work, but it almost worked on the same levels on the analysis which I shared on Monday. That was on 29th of March, 28th of March. So it was a uptrend for Nifty as well as for Bank Nifty. As you can see here, I have already shared on Monday the analysis that Nifty and Bank Nifty will be in uptrend, and it's actually in uptrend. And currently looking at today's movements also, it's already giving up a kind of up move. So let's discuss that what levels we are looking for. So I think whoever have sold option writers, they have got a good profit in this 3 days, because it was kind of day for option sellers, a good because the market was giving up movement. As you saw today also, there was a kind of a gap up opening. After that market came down, but it almost moved in kind of range. So it was a very good day for option sellers. So let's understand that what levels we are expecting in Nifty for tomorrow. So if we see on the level, so Nifty, as you know, that 17,300 was an important level which Nifty have to cross to become in an uptrend or kind of bullish here. So as you see that this 300 levels was already broken yesterday, and today there was a gap up opening and market opened around above 400 levels. After opening, the market almost gave the same trend and it kept on moving, and here we got just but it was not able to cross actually 17,450 levels to come down, and it almost moved in the same level. So that's what I was saying, like whoever is an option seller, they must have got a very good kind of decay, because today was Wednesday also. In the options, they have written mostly on the put side. So if they have sold put, so call selling was again avoided in today's condition, because market was always trying to, Nifty and Bank Nifty both, when I'll share the Bank Nifty also, was trying to actually go beyond this level. And as you can see, the Nifty, it has tried to touch the 17,525 level. So for tomorrow, what we can expect is on the upper side, if there is no gap up opening or a gap down opening based on the same levels which is today, we will wait for confirmation. If you are an intraday player and if you have not carried any overnight positions, we can go long if Nifty is able to sustain above this level, which was the day high for today, 17,525 levels. We will go long in Nifty. Talking about the downside or the selling side, until and unless Nifty crosses this 17,350 levels, we are not planning to sell anything in Nifty. So if you are an option seller, so tomorrow is an expiry day. So for expiry, I would suggest, like if you're an option seller, you can sell put below this level, and you can start selling calls, but call selling will not be so much recommended if Nifty keeps on moving on the upper side, because that could be quite risky. So based on your risk and position size, you take your proper risk management and you sell options accordingly. So this is for the Nifty. If we talk about the Bank Nifty, so let's go to the Bank Nifty. So talking about the Bank Nifty chart, so Bank Nifty almost behaved in the same way. So as I mentioned on Monday's video that we can see uptrend in Bank Nifty, and we actually saw a uptrend, and today we got a kind of gap up opening here, and it was able to cross 36,000 level, which was a psychological resistance for Bank Nifty. Then now the next level which we are looking for Bank Nifty is 36,300 levels was a important again one more resistance for Bank Nifty, and it was able to cross that today, and it was able to touch 36,400. But after that, it started coming down, because today in the initial phase, HDFC Bank was not supporting quite. ICICI was quite strong, SBI was quite strong, even the Axis Bank was quite strong. So looking at this, this bank, but because HDFC was not supporting, it came down. But during the closing, we can see HDFC was also strong, and we could see that there could be again a gap up opening tomorrow, or it can be if Bank Nifty is able to cross 36 400 levels and able to sustain above that, we can go long in Bank Nifty in the intraday. And whoever have carried overnight position, they already know that Bank Nifty has closed with a very good volumes on the buy side. So it's better if you have sold put. So I would suggest, if selling puts below, taking this one as the level. So this level, so below 35,600 would be very safe. Who are safe players, a little bit aggressive players, can sell till this level also. So for expecting what levels, like tomorrow, as I mentioned, if it's able to sustain above this level, we can go long again in Bank Nifty and sell. If you're an option writer, you can sell put. If you're an option buyer, you can go long depending on the momentum of the market. And on the downside, if market opens below the level and it's doesn't sustain 36,100 level and start coming down, we can then think of selling Bank Nifty or going short in Bank Nifty. So these are the levels which I am expecting for tomorrow. So as it is an expiry, if we don't have any gap up or gap down opening, we can work on these levels and it should work accordingly on the same levels which I discussed. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and leave your valuable comments as well. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.